everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today we are going to be looking at how to archive an opportunity and how to mark an opportunity as lost. There are two different action items that you can take with your opportunity depending on the situation. Now, you may be wondering, when would we use either situation? So in the first place, to mark an opportunity as lost, that means that your deal has fallen through. But more specifically, it means that you are no longer representing that client as their buyer's agent or their listing agent. So it just means that you are not representing them anymore. It fell through in that regard. Now, to archive an opportunity, there's a couple different reasons you would want to do that. Archiving an opportunity, maybe you created it in your personal account and you meant to create it under your team. You would need to archive it and recreate that opportunity. Or maybe you just need to change the market center it's worked with if you just recently changed market centers and you need to change that. In any way like that, if you need to archive the opportunity, we can do that as well. So I'm going to show you how to do both, and then you can go from there. So the first thing we want to do is sign into command, which is agent.kw.com. I'm signed in here with my KW login credentials. Now I'm going to navigate to the Opportunities applet. If you're not familiar with the applet's menu, the Opportunities applet is about halfway down on the left-hand side, and it will be these two hands in a handshake right here. So if we click on that, it will bring us into our Opportunities tab. Now I'm going to go to the opportunity that I want to mark as lost or archive. So you can do that by going through the individual pipelines like so. Or we can go back out here, we can go to our Opportunities tab and find our opportunities through here, or we can search for the specific opportunities through here as well. So depends on what you are looking for. You can go through any of those routes. So I'm just going to grab this top one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click these three dots right here. And you'll notice that it is currently grayed out to mark it as lost or archive it. That's because this one actually has an offer that has a commission that is currently open. So I'm going to go ahead and change the response on that so we don't have the offer open. Now, if your commission request is submitted, you have the offer accepted in the opportunity itself, then you would need to have the commission status changed back or rejected by your market center before you can archive it or mark it as lost. If it's already closed, there is currently not a way to archive it or delete it or mark it as lost. So anyway, that is currently, we just reset that. So now I'm going to click these three dots in the top right corner. You'll see they're now available. So I'm going to go ahead and we can say mark as lost. It will give you this little information here, mark an opportunity as lost if you are no longer representing the client. If you need to recreate the opportunity, archive it so that your reporting isn't impacted. Marking it as lost will show up on your personal reports within command, just so you can kind of get a good idea of how much business you've lost versus kept throughout the year. So we'll go in here, we can describe the reason why the opportunity was lost. So we can say maybe sellers, we'll say decided to go a different route. We can go ahead and confirm that. And it would mark our opportunity as lost. We'll now get this bubble up at the very top telling us that the opportunity is lost. So we can still see the information in here, but we're not going to be able to go in and, accept or reject offers or anything like that. We can still see the information that we've added in through here if we need to, but we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to reactivate this opportunity real quick. Just click that button right there. Now to archive an opportunity, we can click those three dots in the top right corner once again, and then we can just click archive right here. It'll ask us if we're sure, and we can say yes, archive them. And so you'll see a very similar bubble here saying the opportunity is archived. You can view it, but you cannot modify the opportunity here. So when it was lost, you could still do some modifications, but you couldn't submit offers and commissions or do things like that. When it's archived, you can't modify it at all. So if you needed to modify it or you accidentally archived it, same thing, you just click restore right here and it will bring it right back so that you can make changes, update it, anything like that. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help out. Hope you have a great rest of your day.